Hi friends, in this Lodash series, first video, we are going to see how to calculate average, minimum and maximum of employee salary by using Lodash library. I am in now the lodash.com website. So Lodash is the very useful library. It will provide lot of inbuilt methods. So you don't have to do the boilerplate code again. Whatever features you want, like providing mathematical operations or filtering the arrays. So like lot of import frequently used methods they have. So if you go to Lodash library in this Lodash site, here they will tell how to use this library. So how to install the Lodash package from npm, how to use cdn, then how can create their variables and how we can use this library. So first we'll go to documentation. Here this is the inbuilt methods. So in this video we are going to use three main methods. First thing is meanBy. So this is used to create the average. What is mean and meanBy? So if the object is there, if you object from the object you want to calculate average, we'll go with meanBy. So in this meanBy, we'll provide the object list and which field you want to calculate, that field we can provide here. So for example, if you see here they are providing the object, and in that object I want to calculate average for n. The field name is n, but what is the mean? So this is not like a object array, it's like normal data, primitive data types. It has the numbers. So directly if you, it is not a object array, it's a normally like a numeric array, then we can go for mean. So like that mean, we are going to use minBy and maxBy. Okay, so let's go to first check the data. So I'm going to do the coding in the console itself. It's like a small program, so I'm not going to use Visual Studio for this. So it's a single line code. I'm just directly using, I'm going to developer tools for the Lodash site. Then I open the console. Here I'm going to do the program. So let's first generate the data. So I have the simple JSON. This JSON file having three fields: name, age, and salary. So this having the details information about 100 employees. I'll copy this employee array. Okay. Then I'm creating the constant employees equal to. Okay. So I have created one array which has information about 100 employees. Okay, each field is like a object, so 100 objects I'm storing as a single array. Okay, this is the employee arrays. Okay, so I have 100 employees. You can see here I have 100 employees. Okay, so first I'm going to use meanBy underscore dot mean by. I have there are two arguments. First argument is my array name. Okay, my array is employees. Then from which field you want to calculate the mean? What is the field name? I'm providing the field name is salary. That's all. Very simple. So mean underscore dot. I have given comma. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So this will give the salary is the 25,057.59. So same way I can use max minBy, first minBy. But in the minBy won't provide the value. Instead of value, it will provide the selected object. Employees, same, salary. Okay. So this will give the employee, which employee is having least salary. So if you want only salary, you can put dot salary. From that object, I can get the salary. Okay, same way I can use maxBy. Okay, so that's all. So hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you very much.